My name is Tristan Goodrum, and today I'll be doing chi-square test for goodness of fit in M&Ms. So Mars Incorporated is famous for its milk chocolate candies. Here's what the company's Consumer Affairs Department says about the distribution of color for M&M's milk chocolate candies produced. So they state that brown, red, yellow, and green each individually will take up 12.5% of the bag, and orange and blue will take up 25% of the bag. So the purpose of this activity is to investigate if the distribution of color in a large bag of M&Ms differs from the claimed distribution. So our null hypothesis in this case is that the company's claim of color distribution in M&Ms cannot be proven false. In other words, their proportion of distribution will be accurate. And our alternative hypothesis will be that the company's claim of color distribution in M&Ms is false. In other words, their proportion of distribution is inaccurate and unreliable. And our significance level for this is 5% or 0.05. And I took a random sample of 60 M&Ms as seen here. Our expected counts for each color will be brown, red, yellow, and green, each having 7.5 M&Ms, and orange and blue having 15 M&Ms. And our observed counts for each color was brown with 7, red with 10, yellow with 6, green with 12, orange with 12, and blue with 13. So in order for us to get our data, we have to move over here where the chi-squared equation is. So our chi-squared equation will be our calculated value is the summation of actual minus expected squared over expected. So I did this for each and every color, as you can see here, and I got these numbers. And when added together, our calculated value is 4.7323. And in this case, our degree of freedom will be n-1, n being 6 in this case because of the 6 different colors, minus 1, which will be 5. So our chi-squared critical value at the degree of freedom equals 5 and significance level equals 0.05 will be 11.07. So finally, since our chi-squared calculated value of 4.7323 is less than our chi-squared critical value of 11.07, we failed to reject our null hypothesis. This means that the Mars Incorporated Company's Consumer Affairs Department is accurate when it comes to their express distribution of color in M&M's milk chocolate candies. There is no evidence in order to be able to reject the company's claim.